In 2006, NASA launched New Horizons on an extraordinary journey to Pluto. At the time, Pluto was considered the ninth planet, a dim and icy world at the edge of our knowledge. New Horizons promised to unveil its secrets after a voyage of almost a decade. Reaching Pluto required incredible precision and cutting-edge technology. Scientists and engineers equipped New Horizons with advanced instruments to study Pluto's surface, atmosphere, and moons. The world watched as the spacecraft soared into the darkness, carrying the hopes of scientific discovery. New Horizons traveled for years, crossing the orbits of Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, and Uranus. Each planetary encounter provided a gravity assist, propelling the spacecraft further and faster. On July 14, 2015, New Horizons made its closest approach to Pluto, flying within 7,800 miles of its surface. The first close-up images of Pluto revealed an alien landscape beyond our wildest imaginations. Among the most captivating discoveries made by New Horizons was Sputnik Planitia. This vast, heart-shaped region is a nitrogen glacier constantly flowing and reshaping itself. Its smooth, bright surface contrasts with the darker, cratered terrain surrounding it. Sputnik Planitia is geologically active, a surprising finding for such a small and distant world. Convection within the nitrogen ice drives its movement, creating distinctive patterns. The presence of nitrogen ice on Pluto is significant, suggesting an interconnected surface and atmosphere. Nitrogen ice can sublimate, turning directly into gas and contribute to Pluto's thin atmosphere. Understanding this cycle is crucial to unraveling the mysteries of Pluto's climate and evolution. Sputnik Planitia has revolutionized our understanding of Pluto, revealing it as a complex and dynamic place. The heart of Pluto beats on, reminding us of the wonders still to be discovered. Pluto's surprises extended beyond Sputnik Planitia. New Horizons revealed a world of dramatic contrasts with towering mountains, vast plains, and ancient craters. The mountains, some reaching heights of 11,000 feet, are composed primarily of water ice. The plains are vast expanses of frozen nitrogen, methane, and carbon monoxide, behaving like rock at Pluto's frigid temperatures. The plains are marked by polygon-shaped patterns, evidence of thermal convection within the ice. Craters dot Pluto's surface, some ancient and softened by geological processes, others much younger. By studying these craters, scientists can learn about the history of bombardment in the outer solar system. These diverse features paint a picture of a complex and fascinating world. Pluto is a dynamic place shaped by a variety of geological processes. Pluto's atmosphere, a thin veil of surprise. Before New Horizons, Pluto's atmosphere was a mystery. New Horizons showed us that Pluto's atmosphere is incredibly thin, extending much higher above the surface than previously thought. It's composed primarily of nitrogen with traces of methane and carbon monoxide, giving Pluto its hazy appearance. Pluto's atmosphere is layered, with distinct regions of different temperatures and pressures. This layering is thought to be caused by interactions between the atmosphere and the surface. One of the most intriguing discoveries is the presence of hydrocarbons, complex organic molecules. While their presence does not necessarily mean life exists there, it raises questions about prebiotic chemistry in the outer solar system. The study of Pluto's atmosphere provides a unique window into the workings of planetary atmospheres. Charon, Pluto's loyal companion. Charon is so large relative to Pluto that the two bodies are often considered a binary system. New Horizons revealed Charon to be just as fascinating as Pluto, with its own unique features and a surprisingly violent past. Charon's surface is a study in contrasts, with a dark reddish region in the north and a brighter, smoother southern hemisphere. One of the most striking features on Charon is a vast canyon system stretching over 1,000 miles. This canyon system, named Serenity Chasma, suggests a complex and active past. Charon is not merely a dead, inert world, but a place shaped by geological processes over billions of years. The relationship between Pluto and Charon is a testament to the power of gravity and the intricate dance of celestial bodies. New Horizons, expanding our cosmic perspective. The New Horizons mission represents a triumph of human ingenuity and a testament to our insatiable curiosity. It has transformed our understanding of Pluto from a distant point of light into a complex and fascinating world. The discoveries made by New Horizons have challenged our assumptions about the outer solar system. Pluto is now classified as a dwarf planet, a member of the Kuiper Belt. The study of Pluto and other Kuiper Belt objects provides insights into the early solar system. The New Horizons mission has highlighted the importance of continued space exploration. Each new discovery brings us closer to understanding our place in the cosmos and ignites our imagination for what other wonders await us.